Oh, good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
How's everybody? Everybody is fine?
Yes, fine, ma'am. And you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much. Okay, today
Okay.
we are going to start. Yesterday, I just shared all vocabularies related to have, verb, and all the things. Today, we're going to start with a new activity that is again a very nice spoken activity. And I'm going to share a very simple questionnaire with you. That questionnaire is completely related to some simple daily routine questions, and you have to just answer about that because you know um, generally what happens, we are very much good at making performances, making the topics and performing them, but when it comes to the speaking every day, when it comes to speaking with regular speaking, we face some issues, we face some fluency issues, we face some vocabulary issues, and there are so many things which we actually face practically. So this questionnaire will definitely help you to overcome that issues. So I'm going to share the things with you. Just give me a minute and then we'll be starting. So here is the questionnaire. The questionnaire is about do you questions. Before teaching you any of the tenses, I just want to tell you that the most common tense is simple present tense, in which we generally make questions with, we make questions with, we generally make questions with do, and we generally ask questions with you. Okay. So if you want to ask daily related questions, क्या तुम ऐसा करते हो, क्या तुम वैसा करते हो, क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलते हो, क्या तुम सुबह जल्दी उठते हो, क्या तुम वॉक पर जाते हो, क्या तुम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो, these kind of all simple questions are the part of do you. It is like, first, do you speak English, पहला क्वेश्चन है. इसका आंसर भी इतना ही सिंपल आता है, सिंपल टेंस में होता है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म में आंसर दिया जाता है, yes I do, I speak English, no I don't speak English, I speak English a little, मैं थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. इसमें डायरेक्ट हम आई के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही लगाते हैं, एंड दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस ओनली. प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में फर्स्ट फॉर्म या हम डू का यूज करते हैं जब हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं, आंसर देते हैं, तो हम बिना डू के वही आंसर की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं. जैसे आपने अगर किसी से पूछा होता क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलते हो, सेंटेंस है डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश. क्या तुम इंग्लिश, क्या तुम आप आंसर देंगे यस आई स्पीक इंग्लिश. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं नो आई डोंट स्पीक इंग्लिश. आप चाहे तो ये भी बोल सकते हैं आई स्पीक इंग्लिश अ लिटिल, थोड़ी सी बोलता हूँ, या मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, आई ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, आई ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. So this is how we can simply use the questions one by one. Okay, so यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया कि questions को divide कर दिया है. For an example, I have divided the question into some specific headings, and the titles are morning. So generally we wake up and we have questions related to morning, then we have questions related to breakfast, and then we have questions related to newspaper, so that you can ask many questions in detail and you can just simply go with the flow. Okay, so let us begin with some simple questions. I have taken this first part, which is called morning, and in morning we generally have questions. Do you wake up early in the morning? What time do you get up? And you can ask get up also. Do you go for morning walk? Where do you go for morning walk? If you don't go for morning walk, you can skip this question. छोड़ भी सकते हैं. Do you exercise? How do you keep yourself fit? Do you meditate? Why don't you go for a morning walk? What time do you go to bed? This is how you can just plan all the questions very well. Okay, so these are the questions and their answers are also similar. Means, yes, I wake up early in the morning. What time do you get up? I get up by 6 o'clock, or I get up by 5 actually. Do you go for morning walk? No, I don't go for morning walk. Why? I don't have time in the morning. My schedule is very hectic, especially in the morning. Where do you go for morning walk? This question doesn't suit to me because I don't go for morning walk. Okay. Do you exercise? Yes, I do. I do exercise. How do you keep yourself fit? I do dance actually. I dance a lot. I just, whenever I have time, especially for 15-20 minutes, I dance every day, especially in the evening time before my class. And I just get fresh and then I start taking my class also. Do you meditate? No, I don't meditate, but if I am free, if I have time on Sundays, I sometimes do it. Why don't you go for a morning walk? I have already told you I don't go for a morning walk because my morning schedule is very, very difficult. It's very difficult to spare some time from morning and then giving to the morning walk, but I dance, so I keep myself fit. What time do you go to bed? I generally go to bed around 11:30 because this is a common time. I finish all my work and then I do that. This is a simple questionnaire you can follow with. Okay. Next, we have tea and breakfast related questions. So we can just ask these simple questions to each other. Do you take tea? Yes, I take tea. How often do you take tea? Kitni baar lete ho? How often? We have already done. So I take tea twice a day, but I don't take 3 times. I am not a tea addict. I take twice a day. Do you take breakfast? No, I don't take breakfast. Do you take heavy breakfast? No, I don't take anything in my breakfast because I have a rule that actually I eat dinner very late. So I generally, you know, I just don't eat breakfast. I directly eat my lunch, and that is 11 or 12. Lunch, I would say, I take my brunch, especially. Then, what do you take in breakfast? If you take in breakfast, what do you take in lunch also? What time do you take your breakfast? With whom do you take your breakfast? Do you ever skip your breakfast? Why don't you take breakfast? Why don't you take breakfast? You can ask to anyone related to that. Then we have newspaper related questions. Do you subscribe a newspaper? Subscribe a newspaper means to call newspaper at home. Subscribe. Do you subscribe any English newspaper? Why do you subscribe this particular paper? What is the purpose behind it? Do you read newspaper daily? How long do you take to read newspaper? Which section do you like most? This is related to the newspaper. And yes, in newspaper we have very, very interesting sections, like we have national, international, city, then we have business, then we have sports, then we have some international news, and then we have front page is very different. Front page has everything, and then we have page 3 news. We have some we have a sub paper also, a co-copy of something. Then it has many news, many health related information is given, many stories are given. Sometimes somebody's interview is given. In English newspaper, if you see Times of India, if you see Hindustan Times, it is full of these things. So this is how, if you read them, you may improve your knowledge. And if you read communicative interview and other things, you will improve your spoken English also. So speak about the benefits of this. Okay. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to start with morning. You guys will be asking questions to me one by one, and we'll be practicing its answer with the help of my answers. Okay. So when you have to open your mic, and at least one student has to ask question one time. Can we begin? Can we begin? Come on, start asking. Who will ask? Anyone can ask first question, can ask second question. No issue in that. Come on. You will say, hi, ma'am, and then start with your question. Come on.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Do you wake up early in the morning?
Yes, I wake up early in the morning.
What time do you get up?
I get up around 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Very early in the morning.
Do you go for Do you go for morning walk?
Rachna, let's ask other questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Okay,
also
ma'am.
you can ask another question. Yes. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Somebody said hello, ma'am. That man
evening.
will speak the question and then Mani will speak. Yes.
Ma'am, may I ask?
Yes. You can ask. No problem.
What time you go for a walk?
I don't have time in the morning, so I don't go for morning walk actually.
Okay, not
Hello,
even in
ma'am.
evening?
I do exercise in the evening. No evening walk.
Okay. Okay.
Hi. Yeah, beta, your question. You're not audible. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. जो भी question पूछ रहे हो उसकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Aman, Shushila, बेटा be active in the class, है ना? आप लोग अपने सारे
Hello,
काम
ma'am.
सिर्फ क्लास पे ध्यान दिया करो. 8 से 9 बजे तक, 9:15 बजे तक सिर्फ क्लास और कुछ नहीं. Yes, Shushila.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. How about you?
I am also fine. Where do you go for morning walk?
I don't go for morning walk. Or if I go, there is a bridge in near my house. So if I go on Sunday, I go on bridge while walking and then come back with my husband.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Aman.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, do you wake up early in the morning?
No, not this question. Next question. This is done.
Okay. Do you exercise? How do you keep yourself fit?
I do exercise, but I generally dance every day, and which is my hobby also. And this is how I keep myself fit.
Okay, ma'am. Do
Okay.
you meditate?
Sometimes, not
Hi,
every
ma'am.
time. I
Okay.
May I ask, ma'am?
yes. पूछिए.
Why don't you go for morning walk?
Because morning I go to school 7:45, and before that I have to finish my my other works. Like I have to get ready. I have to cook food for me, my husband and I, and then I have to finish other things also. Like I have to make tea for myself, and I have to make a lot of food for my husband and for me. My husband takes breakfast also, so I have to prepare breakfast and lunch together because I come at 1:30 or 2 o'clock from school, and it takes a lot of time to cook food. So yeah, I don't have time in the morning. Sometimes I study also in the morning, so I have no time to do exercise in the morning or any kind of walk.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
Angie.
Do you meditate, ma'am?
No, I have answered. Ask another question. Last question is still remaining. Come on,
What time do you
Sandeep.
go?
Last question. Haan, come on. Puchiye.
Hello. What time do you go
Sheila,
to bed?
wait. Let him ask. Yeah, Sandeep, पूछिए. Last question. पूछिए. जब तक आप पूछेंगे नहीं, मैं आंसर नहीं दूंगी. इसलिए आपको पूछना है.
What time to do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11:30, 12 also. Sometimes 11, between 11 and
Oh.
12.
Do you take a tea?
नहीं लगेगा. मैंने नहीं लगाया ना. Yes, I take tea. I am a chai lover.
Ma'am, how often do you take tea a day?
Sir, actually depending on my hectic schedule. So generally I take tea twice a day, But sometimes when I'm too tired or I'm feeling sleepy, I take tea in the afternoon also. Though I avoid it, but I take in the afternoon.
Yes. Yes. And how do you take heavy breakfast, ma'am?
I don't take breakfast.
Okay. And what do you take in breakfast?
I don't take breakfast, so I generally cook breakfast for my husband. My husband is habitual of eating parathas, so he daily eats 2 parathas with the sabzi, or sometimes he eats with milk also. Like sometimes he takes dahi. So it is his heavy breakfast, but I don't take breakfast.
Okay.
Keep asking, guys. Keep asking. Keep asking. बहुत सारे लोग और भी हैं. I can see विशाल, I can see रचना, I can see अमन. आप लोगों को जो क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, क्योंकि आपने भी आंसर देना है, आपने मुझसे पूछकर अपनी वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करना है. कम ऑन.
Why don't you take breakfast, ma'am?
Actually, my schedule is generally very hectic. I don't get time to do exercise. My work is sitting. You know that teaching work is either standing, and nowadays everything is online. So I have to do everything online, and I'm sitting on the chair in front of the computers and doing all the classes and all. And then again, I have to sit and do other official work and all. Again, I'm just doing all these things. So I am the one like who is not getting my energy burned anywhere. So what I do, I just don't take my breakfast because I give time to my stomach to digest all the food what I eat overnight till morning also. And again, I take tea. I take a big cup of tea actually, and I take sugar-free tea so that I should not get that sugary like that. I don't like sugar in the tea actually. So I take that tea also. Then again I give something to my stomach to digest. Then I give some time to my stomach to digest the remaining food so that I can feel energetic. I should not feel unoxidized. I should not feel less energy because of my food is just being rotten, decay, sar raha hai khana, so that I don't want my food to be there. It is my actually personal way of cleaning my body. It is called detoxing your body. You can detox your body with the help of that. And I take food directly twice, evening and morning, means afternoon, lunch and then dinner. And then I take chai and some little biscuits or sometimes some chips. Chips means those ghar wala chips or some other food, little but not much. I take fruit in the afternoon generally. So this is how I manage my lunch and dinner, but I don't take much dinner and much lunch. You can see now I'm getting fat. So I'm trying to, get it out. Next question.
What time do you take breakfast?
I take brunch, 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 lunch and breakfast together. So I take around 11:30. I take.
Ma'am.
With whom do you take breakfast?
I take brunch with my colleagues in the school actually. We take lunch together. So it is my brunch because I take brunch and lunch, breakfast and lunch together. So I take with my colleagues. All we sit around the table and we take it. Nini, earlier we used to do this. Now COVID is there, so we sit on our tables and we take lunch. We don't sit together, but I take in school.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Do you ever leave your breakfast?
I always leave my breakfast. I don't do breakfast.
Why doesn't you take breakfast?
I don't. I have told that I am not habitual of taking breakfast because breakfast means I take dinner very late. I take after my class and 9:30 and 10 o'clock also. My husband comes late from work, so I feel that my and I take very little dinner so that I can digest my food before sleeping. And 12 o'clock I sleep, so I don't give at least 2 hours to myself to digest my food. So I don't take breakfast just to get another food in his stomach, and then again it is giving me a lot of laziness and all. So I skip my breakfast because of that reason. Earlier I used to
Okay,
take
ma'am.
breakfast when I used to take lunch, my dinner at 8 o'clock, but for some months I have not been taking it. Okay, let's go for newspaper question quickly.
Ma'am, do you subscribe to a newspaper?
Yes, I subscribe a e-newspaper, and the name of the newspaper is I subscribe 2 newspapers. One is the Hindustan Times, the other one is the Hindu.
In. And which newspaper do you subscribe?
The
Yeah, हो
Hindu
गया है.
and Hindustan Times.
Yes, yes. You subscribe.
And
Ma'am,
which
do you
sec-
subscribe any English newspaper?
This is English newspaper because Hindi newspaper I'm not able to understand many words in Hindi newspaper.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, but
And
I feel uncomfortable reading Hindi because Hindi newspaper especially because they have so much difficult words also sometimes, you know, so I'm not able to understand.
yes, ma'am. And why do you subscribe? आपने क्यों मंगाया?
Subscribe क्यों मंगाती हूँ because I like reading newspaper to keep myself updated on the latest happening so that I can talk with my students over them, and I can also add some good vocabulary so that they can speak it. So newspaper is like a learning for me, and of
Okay.
course update
And
myself.
ma'am, do you read newspaper daily?
I read newspaper for 1 hour daily.
मैम which time? उसका पढ़ने का टाइम क्या है फिर आपका?
I read newspaper daily, especially in the morning. Sometimes 6 o'clock, sometimes 6:30. 5:30. 5:30.
Oh, 5:30. Okay, ma'am.
Others can also ask questions related to newspaper. You should also learn to ask newspaper related questions.
कोई
Others
नहीं
who
पूछ
have
रहा
not
ऐसा
asked
पूछ रहे.
anything. Anji?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. And you wanted to ask something, I thought.
yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, actually, I was asking. Okay, and ma'am, which section do you like the most?
I like, frankly speaking, I like health section, health related articles are there. I like that. And I also like Bollywood news, Bollywood Chatpata news section. And the most I like is, editorial section, which is my favorite editorial. But I never skip front page. Front page has everything. So if you want to keep yourself updated, read front page. It will help you a lot.
Okay, and I think I can guess you are very health conscious, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
You are very health conscious, right?
See, earlier I was not health. But frankly speaking, for many years I have not, taken care of my health. And then I used to have, like some kind of issues. Like I had headaches, and I was very less energetic during my classes also. And then when the time comes when I understood the reason behind it, the reason was my bad lifestyle. I used to eat 4 times like my breakfast so that I can get energy for my You understand now? Energy for my class morning 8 o'clock. And then I used to use lunch also so that I can get energy for evening class. Then I used to have evening snacks. I used to eat a lot, but I was not burning my fat. You know, so I was not being fat, but I was being lazy. I did not have much energy. I was not able to walk up the stairs, and I was like using lift in my office, and I was doing so many things which were not good actually. Then I got the reason, and now I have become health conscious for 3 years. I have been into good healthy lifestyle, and Gandhi ji, I always follow Gandhi ji about it. If you remember the importance, the significance of upavas. Have you heard about it, guys? Upavas, जिसको हम व्रत
Yes,
कहते हैं.
yes.
I don't do like व्रत for Bhagwan ji. I do fast for detoxicating my body. Frankly speaking, ये कोई religious matter नहीं है. This is very scientific matter. और मैं कुछ नहीं
Yeah,
खाती. I even don't take any fruit. I take water and water.
Yeah. Actually, we all relate with this religious, but it's all based on scientific.
And that's why always, you are absolutely right, Mani. And I always tell everyone, see, I am not a God hater. I am the biggest devotee of God. But Upavas is not related to God. This is a scientific method to detox your body.
I agree.
Yes.
But but I think we can skip dinner, but we can't skip breakfast because it's a lot of gap midnight.
Actually, no, it is written, one of the pustak is there, and Satvik Bhojan Pranali, there is particular, उसमें कहा गया है कि आप कम से अपनी बॉडी, आपको खाना जो है ना, your food takes lot of time, at least 8 hours you have to give to your digestion, and remaining 8 hours you should give to heal, give time to your body to heal your other inside problems. So total 16 hours you should be giving to your body, then you are detoxicating your body. Getting 16 hours. Because what we do, हमको बोला जाता है, actually the problem is all those gym people, the people who are running gyms, what they do, they tell that eat within 3 hours duration. But they don't tell, if you're not doing gym, then you're not burning your food, you're not burning your energy, your intestine is still into that khana bhara hua hai, correct? You're eating a lot, eating, but not burning that much fat. So we relate so many things with so many things, but all the things are separately different. So you cannot skip your breakfast, but if you have that routine that you cannot skip your dinner, whether you're taking light dinner or heavy dinner, but
take it early, like at 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
If you're taking that, that's good. If you're not able to take because of some reasons, then you can do that. Ultimately, you can do that. And many people think that breakfast is the first gap. Gap is actually there so that your body heals your other problems. So no problem. उसी को तो उपवास कहते हैं. And there are so many Jain people, they follow this.
Yeah. Yes. They even eat twice a day and not take food after I think 5 or 6 o'clock.
And it is also said, खाने मैं ये इस चीज इसलिए बता रही हूँ because I have gone through so many books like that, and I have ultimately learned the same fact that खाना ही, वो कहते हैं ना, जब आपका पेट खुश होता है, you live a healthy life. All the problem starts from your stomach. So keep it healthy.
Correct.
That is the truth.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And next question about newspaper.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, if reading a newspaper, daily newspaper can become a good English, better English.
No, I when I was not able to speak English, na, I never read newspaper.
No.
I always read stories.
Okay.
If you want to become IAS, If you want to get selected into civil services, read newspaper, English newspaper, Hindi newspaper, all newspapers. But if you want to improve your English, you should start with conversational English, novels,
Okay.
storybooks. In the newspaper, you can go through some interview sections. But newspaper is not the guarantee to give you better English spoken. It will give you English related knowledge in English, but no English spoken. Newspaper never gives that.
Okay.
You take a newspaper. I read newspaper because I study newspaper. I read newspaper because I underline words to teach students. I study, I don't read it. I read for a different purpose. And IAS aspirants read newspaper for 8 hours a day, the whole newspaper. Can you believe?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes, yes.
I'm doing a gym.
So
I'm
if you're
doing a gym.
preparing, if you're preparing for that, you are doing that. क्योंकि आपको सब
Okay.
जानना है. But for English speaking people, books are okay, stories are okay. Simple.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
next.
doing a gym.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Hmm?
Actually, I want to know, like, what is the correct method of reading newspaper? Like, everyone says, like, by reading newspaper, we increase our vocabulary. And so whenever I read newspaper, there are so many words I don't understand. So it was like I am reading newspaper and finding the meanings of all those words, which become like I start feeling not good, and I put the newspaper aside and don't need it on daily basis. So what is the
Newspaper
correct
reading
method of
is newspaper reading is a boring task until you have a purpose to read it. Now,
Okay.
many students think that newspaper is enhancing vocabulary. Yes, it is enhancing vocabulary, but for those who already know about they know English very well, they are good communicators and just going through that. Okay, but the best way to read newspaper, just to enhance your speed reading, enhance your understanding, you read newspaper headlines, understand headlines, what headlines says, and then go for the news very quickly. One time you read the news and you understand that. Acha, kuch acha word lage, suppose you like any particular word, so check that word, use that word, or get Google that word and then get the meaning, and it's use 2 or 3 somewhere. Okay, so if you are reading one news, the one article, one editorial, that's good, and you're taking one word from that, 2 words from that, this is called spoken English reading. This is called reading for English improvement. But if you are taking one article like me, you are underlining all difficult words, then you are preparing a topic for the students to speak, then you are giving those vocabularies to them, you are explaining those vocabularies to them. That means you are a teacher. Editorials, which comes in exams, which comes in all competitive exams, like all SSCs, तो नहीं बोलूंगी, but yeah, with bank exams they come, civil services, they have sort of information and all. So what are you actually? You have to decide that. And I told you, if you are newspaper, if you are IAS civil services aspirants, तो न्यूज़पेपर फिर नॉलेज के लिए पढ़ना होता है, न्यूज़पेपर जनरल अवेयरनेस के लिए पढ़ना होता है, न्यूज़पेपर डेट्स को याद रखने के लिए, इसके लिए पढ़ना. So you have to decide who are you, like that. If you are a general reader, you can just read twice. एक न्यूज को एक बार पढ़ लो, धीरे धीरे सब समझ में आने लग जाता है, हेडलाइंस ही समझ में आ जाता है. करेक्ट और नॉट? You can understand with headlines also, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो बहुत बस वो 1-2 शब्द लर्न कर लो न्यूज़पेपर में, तो कम से कम रोज कम से कम 100 नए वर्ड्स जोड़ते हैं वो लोग, और रोज 100 words, learning 100 words are very difficult, so yes, it's like that. So if you are any of them, तीन जो मैंने बताए हैं, you can go for your own methodology according to your purpose.
Okay.
चलिए, now I will share this questionnaire with you. You guys have to prepare, you have to read the whole questionnaire, and then I will tell you what you will do with this questionnaire. Join the meeting again, then I'll tell you what to do with the questionnaire. So I'm just finishing the meeting and I want you to join again. Join faster, okay?